Hello and welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got an air quality monitoring device which is calculating and measuring the air quality index, CO2, HCHO, PM2.5, PM1, PM10, and apart from that, the temperature, humidity, TVOC also can be measured in a single device, as you can see. This is a 7 inches LCD screen which displays the data with a real-time and historical air quality hourly, weekly and monthly report. It has also got an access to the Wi-Fi. This can be connected to the Wi-Fi actually, and this is totally touch, which can detect the CO, CO2, O3, SCHO, TVOC, NO2, SO2 also in this device. As you can see, this is a touch screen. You can also do the configuration via this, and if you click on any of the parameter, it can show you a graphical representation. This is charged with a same 5 volts adapter, the same which is used for the mobile. Comes with this cable. At the back, as you can see, is pretty flat, just like a tablet. Also comes with a back plate just in case you need to do a channel mounting. At the side you can see on and off button, the charging DC 5 volts and memory card slot is also available. The parameters for temperature, it is minus 30 to 60 degrees at 0.1 degrees Celsius plus or minus accuracy. Relative humidity at 0 to 99% and plus or minus 1% RH accuracy. For the PM10, 2.5 and PM1, it has got 1 to 1999 micrograms, and it has also got CO2 from 0 to 10,000 ppm. Also got a TVOC for 0 to 20 ppm, and coming to formaldehyde, it is 0 to 2 ppm, nitrogen dioxide 0 to 5 ppm, sulfur dioxide 0 to 20 ppm, ozone, which is also O3, is 0 to 5 ppm, carbon monoxide is 0 to 1000 ppm, and hydrogen sulfide is 0 to 10 ppm. This has got a inbuilt battery of 5000 milliamps, and in the storage you can also have SD card plus the cloud storage also. You have a setting. For this you need to give the end password, and then you can go to the setting page where you can do the date, time and other settings which can be done by the admin. For more information on to this kind of indoor or outdoor air pollution or air quality monitors, you can always reach our expert at instrucart.com. Thanks for watching.